We'll guide you through how to install Microsoft Copilot. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move your cursor to the search bar located on the taskbar and type Microsoft Store to quickly find the application. When Microsoft Store appears in the search results, click it to open Microsoft Store on your computer. After the Microsoft Store window opens, move your cursor to the search bar located at the top of the application. Type Microsoft Copilot in the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard to begin searching for the app. The store will display several related results. Carefully hover your cursor over the Microsoft Copilot result and make sure it is the correct app before continuing. This step is important to ensure that you download the official application from Microsoft. Once you confirm that it is the correct app, click on the official Microsoft Copilot app to open its product page. A new page will appear displaying information about the application. On this page, you can review several details before installing it. Scroll down to see screenshots of the Microsoft Copilot user interface so you can understand how the application looks and works. These images give you a preview of the main features and layout. Continue scrolling down further to view additional information such as the app description, user ratings, and the latest feature updates provided by the developer. Reading this information can help you better understand the capabilities of the app before installing it. After you finish checking the information, scroll back to the top of the page. At the top of the app page, locate the button labeled Installed. Click the Install the button to begin the installation process. Once you click this button, the Microsoft Store will process your request and start downloading Microsoft Copilot to your computer. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and system performance, so please wait patiently until the download is complete. During this time, the progress indicator in the Microsoft Store will show the status of the download. When the download finishes, the Microsoft Store will automatically install the app on your computer. After the installation is completed, a new button labeled Open will appear on the screen. Click Open to launch Microsoft Copilot. The application will start, and you can now use Microsoft Copilot as your AI assistant to help with various tasks and questions.